Wow. I've never had a mascara make my eyes look like this. Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a haul with you from Ulta Beauty. I'm going to be trying on everything that I purchased. This is my receipt, okay? I spent $282 and I got a bunch of stuff, so I can't wait to share all of the goodies with you guys. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already joined my family, and let's get started. This is the ceramic slip cleanser from Sunday Riley, and I went to just one of their PR events back in the day, years and years ago, and I tried one of their water-based moisturizers, and it was the best. I was supposed to get on their PR package, but I never received anything, so I'm still a fan of this brand and I will continue to buy products. So this is a new cleanser to me, and typically I would leave my cleansers in the shower because that's where it's just the easiest for me to wash my face because I'm already wet. Girl. I also got some hand sanitizer. I've seen this a lot. This is from Touchland and it's called their Power Mist. It is in the scent Aloe. 500 sprays, cruelty-free, vegan, airplane friendly, which is nice. I'm surprised because I feel like that's a lot of liquid. On my face, all I have is moisturizer, and it's a moisturizer that I've been loving from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is probably maybe my 10th jar. I wish I was being dramatic, but I'm not. I literally keep coming back to this one particular moisturizer because it's my favorite. This is the Confidence in a Cream by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is their transforming moisturizing super cream. It doesn't really have a strong scent, which I really like, and it gets the job done. So if I don't have time for a full-on face makeup, this is all you're gonna get. Okay, so for my foundation, I have picked up 3 new products. This one here is from ColourPop. It's called Pretty Fresh, and this is their Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer. I got it in the shade Light 8N. And here are 2 products from Maybelline. They look very similar, but one of them, this one here, this is the Instant Age Rewind Perfector. It's a 4-in-1 glow makeup. It's a primer, concealer, highlighter, BB cream. And then I also got the Maybelline New York Age Rewind Eraser. And this is a foundation in the shade number 130 Buff Beige. Please, Lord, I hope that these look good because, I feel like foundations in general are pretty expensive nowadays. With that said, there are a lot of drugstore products that I would reach for over some of the more high-end stuff just because it just looks better and it just performs well on my skin. Please don't be too dark. Please don't be too dark. It's a little bit on the peach side, but I'm already committed. It's on my face. We're gonna do it. I don't think it looks bad. It's just not really covering much. Just a little bit of color, and this is what I'm expecting from something that's called a tinted moisturizer, right? Next, I'm gonna be using some of that Instant Age Rewind. Next up is going to be a cream bronzer that I got from e.l.f. This is their Putty Bronzer Tan Lines, and I'm pretty much just gonna put this anywhere the sun would naturally kiss. All right, next up, I got a cream blush. This is M.A.C Glow Play Blush in the shade Cheer Up. I just use the back of my beauty blender and just press it into my skin like this. I like to set my face with a loose powder, and the one I'm using is from Morphe. This is their Bake and Set Translucent Powder Blend the Rules. I'm really gonna have to wash this after I'm done with it today, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take it straight into the pot, and then on the back of my hand, I'm gonna make sure I press it right into my sponge further, and then go underneath my eyes like this, over my nose and on my T-zone. Just really press it in wherever I really need it to last the longest. And then I'm going to take a huge fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to pick up some more of that powder and go all over my face. I also picked up another product from Maybelline. This is their City Bronzer, and it is a matte bronzer, and I was really looking for a shade that wasn't so orange or gray. So this is like a really beautiful like brown color, like a light, no, this is like a really nice dark beige color, if you will. And I was just looking for something that was gonna be nice to contour my nose with, that's not gonna make it look like, I don't know, I stuck my nose up someone's butt, okay? Next, I'm gonna be taking a little bit of this Make It Last spray from Milani. It's one of my favorite setting sprays, and it's not too strong. My face looks like I almost drowned, but honestly, it sets really quick. One of the classic shades from Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Powders, right? Diamond Glow Powders in Conceited. It's one of my favorites. I've used it so many times in the past. And honestly, one of these jars of shimmer pigments lasts forever. Okay, next out of the bag that I'm not gonna take because I still have to get my son from school. This is the Sugarbear Sleeping Vitamins. And honestly, these are the cutest melatonin-packed vitamins I've ever taken. I do favor gummies at night for both me and my son. This is a 10 count jar, so just like a trial run. I found this at checkout, so I was like, you're coming home with me. I also picked up this lip balm, and I just thought it was really cute. What the heck? Isn't this the cutest thing you ever seen in your life? I also picked up these hairpins, and these were $12. I know it's really expensive, but they're like little hairpins that when you put your hair in like a bun, you kind of stab it with them, and these are the cutest hairpins I've ever seen. So for my brows, I'm gonna be using a combination of the Dior Show Brow Styler eyebrow pencil, and this one is in the shade number 1 brown. So as you can see, there is a big difference between my natural brow and this eyebrow, and it's because my eyebrows don't grow. Like, I don't do anything to them. I don't tweeze them, I don't wax them, I don't get them threaded, especially threaded because that freaking hurts. You guys are thugs if you guys can get anything else threaded because, ouch, they just don't grow back. I don't know if it's just because I'm getting older. Hello? Wake up. I'm gonna be using a little bit of Kosas Air Brow in clear. It was clear. This is a fresh one, but I love it because you get that lamination look without looking like a complete freak. So after I do that, I go in with a little bit of Nars concealer. This is what I was talking about, that it reminded me of these e.l.f. putty pots. This concealer is in the shade medium 2 Ginger. And then just with my finger, I'm going to blend it down. All right, now I got both of my eyebrows on. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tartelette Toasted palette, using a little bit of s'mores underneath my brow and into the crease. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of Latte, and that is going to go in my crease and below, just like that. Very like neutral, I'm not gonna say natural because obviously I'm wearing freaking makeup, but very like subdued. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, for crying out loud. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, and then I'm gonna throw on some of this Ulta Beauty New Heights Lifting Mascara. I'm already interested because of this wand, so let's give it a go. Trying to wait for these lashes to dry a bit so that I can curl or add another layer. Okay, wow. I've never had a mascara make my eyes look like this. It's all over TikTok already. I'm surprised I even got one of these, and it really does work. This is just one coat of mascara on my sad straight lashes. For my lips, it was another TikTok trend where you use your eyebrow pencil as a lip liner, and honestly, I didn't think it was gonna work, but it worked. So I'm just gonna do it again for you guys for this video. So I'm just using, again, that Dior Show Brow Styler in the shade number 1 brown, and just line my lips. It doesn't look 90s. To me, it looks like chola. This is a blush from Rare Beauty, and it's in the shade Bliss. Don't look scary, but it's about to look really good. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of matching lip gloss. This is one from NYX. It's called their Butter Gloss in Maybelline. And I'm just gonna put that in the center of my lips because I don't want to remove or cover any of that liner. Ta-da! It's not harsh at all. Ta-da! I did also want to mention that I got both the shampoo and conditioner from Pureology called their Strength Cure, and it's for damaged color treated hair, and that's me. Hi, that's me. The first time that I washed my hair with it, I think I used too much product, but my experience was really, really nice. It set it up way better than anything I've ever used. These are really expensive though. I want to say that these were $35 a bottle. I was like, damn. The bigger ones were like $70, $80. Like, girl. Honestly, my hair dried like a new bitch. I was like, well, it better. Not me realizing that I didn't use the concealer version of these two products. I used the foundation version underneath my eyes, and this is probably why it didn't cover as well as I was anticipating, but it still covered because I was able to use it as a concealer in today's look. So that just gives you an idea of how much this is able to build on top of each other, like as far as layers go, because my under eyes look great. Okay, I'm just saying. I will definitely have to use this in a different video if you guys are interested in me reviewing this particular product, because I'm like, wait a second. Whoops. And that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's tutorial video, hangout session, I don't know what you want to call this, okay? Just this like, was it try on makeup haul? I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you'd like more videos like this, let me know by giving me a thumbs up or leaving me a comment in the comment section down below. And if there's anything that you would like me to try and review here on my channel, I will look for those requests in the comments below as well. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope this video wasn't too long. But yeah, thank you. Take care, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.